Hey guys, what's up? This is Imran back again with another video. Hope you guys are doing pretty well today. Today we will go ahead and unbox a small wireless microphone because on my videos the sound quality was not pretty good. So I was researching online a lot and I finally found out a wireless microphone which is actually compatible to my iPhone. So let's quickly unbox this. I think this packaging is slightly different. Let me show you that. Okay, this is the wireless mic which I was talking about. Look at the packing. This is the first time I'm looking at this kind of packing. So you have the cover, and the bubble wrap is actually stuck to the cover. I cannot remove the bubble wrap. I hope you guys can hear the noise. Right, let me keep this aside. Let's talk about the wireless mic. Alright, I hope you guys can see this. It's written as wireless lavalier microphone, and this one is actually compatible with iPhones. You would also get the same wireless mics for your Type-C port. I hope you guys can see that. Let's see what's written there on the box real quick. It says it's wireless, as I mentioned earlier. Yep, we have three options. You can go ahead and take a live show. That's amazing. You can take interview with this particular microphone, and if you are a vlogger, you can also use this microphone. That's amazing. I hope this microphone should improve my audio quality. Let's see what's written there on the side of the box. I think it's the same. Alright, let's go ahead and see what's there on the back side of the box. Alright, we have many information. It says plug and play. It's amazing. 20 meters of accessible reception. Oh wow, that's crazy, I would say. It says precise radio, clear timbre, highly sensitive, and noise reduction initiative. I'm just wondering, what is that initiative? I hope this microphone reduces all the background noise which I'm getting on the videos. And let's see what else is there on the box. Right at the bottom we don't have anything. Right on the top we don't have anything written there, and the other things are being discussed already. All right, let's see how to, oh, that's wonderful. I just have to push it slowly, and let's see what's inside the box. Wow, it says we have a paper. It says wireless microphone lightning receiver user manual. So this would actually help us a lot because you have all the instructions related to your wireless mic here. Inside the box. I hope you guys can see that. Okay, there is a small box here. Let's see. Okay, let me remove the connector slowly. Okay, so this is the one you would have to connect to your iPhone. And let me keep this aside. Let's see what's this. Okay, this is amazing, I would say. Oh, we also have a collar clip. You can clip. Can you see this? I hope you guys can see this. Yeah, you have a clip here, which can be clipped to your shirt. That's nice. Okay. Easy. Okay, you just have one image. That's the cable, the charger, wireless microphone. Let's remove that and see. Okay, let let me show you the length of this cable real quick. Alright, so this, oh nice, pretty nice, yeah, it's pretty lengthy. Let me try to connect this and see if that's fitting properly. Boom, I just connected. Alright guys, so this is actually called as transmitter, and this is actually called as receiver. I hope you guys can see that. So let's go ahead and have a look at the transmitter. It's quite small, I would say, and it has you know, it's called as wind shield. I hope you guys can see that. Yeah, it's easy to clean. You just have to pop this out and just clean your microphone if you want. And you have a clip-on here, and you also have a charging port. I hope you guys can see that as well. Alright, so we have a turn on button here right at the bottom of the transmitter. Okay, this is not a button, this is just a design. So let's have a closer look on the receiver. Yep, you would connect this particular part to your iPhone, and this is again not a button, so you have a charger point here as well. Okay, let's go ahead and try and connect this to the phone. Oh, yes, this is my iPhone. Let me go ahead and unlock this, and the first step, you just have to connect this receiver onto your iPhone. So once you connect it, I hope you guys can see a small red light blinking continuously. That means your receiver is being connected to your phone. The next step is you have to take the transmitter, as we saw the button previously. I hope you guys can see that. You just have to click once on it. What happens? The green light gets turned on the transmitter. So the next step is you just have to check if that red light is still blinking. No, it is not blinking. That means that your microphone is actually connected to your phone, and then you just have to unlock the phone again. You just have to go to the camera. I'm just wondering where my camera is. I got that. Okay, so I'm just clicking on this so you can start taking a video. So when you're talking on the video, can you see that? So the audio will be taken through this transmitter. So it's currently on. Let's go ahead and try this. I'm talking over the wireless microphone. All right, let's go ahead and check the audio of this. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking right now. I'm gonna play this audio for you guys. Okay, it's almost like 30 seconds, 31, 32, 33, 34. I'm gonna stop this. Yes. Let's hear the audio. I'm talking over the wireless microphone. All right, let's go ahead and check the audio of this. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking right now. I'm gonna play this audio for you guys. Okay, it's almost like 30 seconds, 31, 32, 33, 34. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and share my videos to everybody. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.